everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1940 Ford three-window pickup. Guys, this thing is gorgeous. 2,000 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Really just a quality build. Tennessee truck. It's finished in Washington blue. I love the color combination. Matter of fact, I was talking to my wife about this car or truck last night. She loves the color as well. It's got black ultra leather interior in it. All steel truck except for the rear fenders. They're fiberglass. But the rest of the truck is steel. Just really nicely done truck. Love these 40Fords. Love the lines on them. Just think they're sexy as heck. You can see it's got the 15-inch steel wheels all the way around it. BF Goodrich Touring TA tires. But just a quality build. I had a little green one here, I don't know, about a month ago, and I gotta be honest with you guys, this one's nicer. I mean, it's a nicer built truck than that one, and I love the green one. Not a whole lot we can really pick, guys. There's a couple little touch-up marks I saw in the paint, but really, there's not a whole lot we can pick at on this one. I mean, really brand new bumper-to-bumper build with 2,000 miles on it. So the nice thing about 2,000 miles is you get to work kind of the kinks out of it. It's the only bad thing about buying a car with, 100 miles or something on it. You're just going to have some shakedown, miles on it. This thing is, this thing really is turnkey, ready to go. Gorgeous paint. Love the color. It's got all brand new tinted glass in it. This bed cover is pretty cool. We'll show you this. It's got brand new wood bed underneath, but it's spring-loaded tailgate. They've eliminated the chains so that you don't have a chip in the paint. Sorry guys, just a little drift there. Yeah, and you can see there's a little touch up. You can find something on any of them, guys. They're not perfect. Sold 6,000 of these things, never seen a perfect one yet. There's a little touch-up mark there. Look how gorgeous that truck is though, man. You gotta love the lines on these 40 Fords. I just love them. I think they look great. I love the steel wheels on this thing, the way it sits. It's got all Mustang II front suspension with tubular upper and lower control arms, power rack and pinion steering. Love the wheels. Those are 8-inch rears. It's got the big and little, in other words, bigger tires on the rear than there is on the front. It's got that staggered look. I like the black running boards. Little touch-up mark, but nice. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Put mirrors underneath it. It's gorgeous underneath. This is a 302 roller motor in it. It's got a C4 automatic trans, so that's cool. It's all Ford. Most of these will have a Chevy motor, and this thing's all Ford, which I know my Ford guys will like. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Weiand aluminum intake. Not sure about the exhaust manifold or header on there. Again, it's Mustang II front suspension, power rack and pinion. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms. You can see they got the serpentine pulley system on the belts up front. It does have power front disc brakes. Vintage air. You can see the aluminum radiator. It's got electric fan. That's on a static control, just automatically comes on. Pretty truck. It's even got the little safety latch. Where was that? Oh yeah, right there. Look, when you open the hood, of course you open them through the what do you call it, right there, and then but it's got a safety latch to help keep it closed. It's got slotted and drilled rotors on the front, guys. Wipers work, again, all new glass. Custom seat, this is that ultra leather. It's kind of cool, it's got the blue stitching in it. Armrest. Billet rear view mirror. Super cool, Dad. It's got the small 40 Ford steering wheel in it, Lokar shifter. It's got a super cool classic instruments gauge cluster in there with tack and gauges. I'll show you this when you turn. It's backlit green with the turn signals. There's your wipers, your lights. There's an interior light in the center, and then underneath is actually your heat and AC controls. And then there is on the front of the seat, Jay. There's both sides. There's plug-ins for phones and GPS, whatever you want to hook up to it. Dual exhaust. It is a 9-inch rear end. I'll have to get you the gear, man. I can't remember the gear. Again, this is all spring loaded, which is cool, right? All new wood bed. Look at the hinges on that thing. All billet hinges. It's all spring loaded. That's really nice. They've relocated the fuel tank. That's down here in the center. They do that for safety reasons. Go ahead and put that down, Jay. Just pull that back to lift it up. Again, very nice underneath, man. Put it up in the air, got you some good pictures of it. Nice, nice truck. Trucks are so hot. I mean, that just get everybody right now wanting trucks. Sorry guys, the dust. The doors just click shut on this thing. Just very, very nice. Seat's comfortable. I'm 6'2". Fit in there nice. Got the cool Lokar shifter. That's your original starter button down there. I think it's just a dummy. Steering wheel's nice. Dash is nice. Door handles are all new. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. They just kicked your AC on. It's down below. I don't know if you heard it, but electric fan's working. All pump gas engine. Get it?
Is on the dark sensor. When it gets dark, it lights up green by itself.
See it? Yeah. See that? It's all backlit. Hit your brights on the ground, Jay. It lights up red, backlit. I don't know if you see that. There you go. Yeah. See that? I don't know if you can see that or not. Very cool. All your gauges work.
Go like this.
See how back? Yeah. Pretty cool, man. Very cool. And then this center one is an interior light. It's got a I know it's got all Lokar parking brake in it. License plate light works. Again, all your, there's no radio, it's radio delete. Your controls for your AC are underneath the dash there. That's, yeah, that's your interior lights. That was the wiper button there. How nice those doors shut. The fit and finish is excellent. Again, make Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram pages. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, I love that truck, guys. Yeah, you're looking for a nice 40 Ford. That thing is slick as can be. Very nicely done. Have a great day, guys.